Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be going over my Dollar General penny shopping haul where I picked up over $100 worth of items for just 30 cents. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so I'm back at home with my penny haul. So for today, February the 8th, we have two penny lists. We have a regular Dollar General penny list, our regular stores, and then we also have a home store penny list. So just in case y'all missed it, yesterday I did make a post in the community tab that we have an epic home store penny list today. I think it's over 200 items. So if you missed that post, go check it out. I left a video link to Suburban Beard's video that he made. It's just a quick, short 2 or 3 minute video with the entire NCI list that he typed up. So it's a little bit easier to read. So definitely go check out that video, and I'll leave it linked in the pinned comment down below. So if you have a home store near you, you may want to go out and scan to see what you can find, because a lot of the people who post the penny list did not have visuals for the items at the NCI stores, just because the UPC codes weren't pulling up pictures in the app. So it's kind of a real life treasure hunt today. You just don't know what you're going to find. I ended up finding a few penny items at my home store. Also found some pretty good half off stuff that I'm going to share with y'all. So I ended up going to two stores, and as you can see, here's my haul. A lot of people knew about these items and had pictures to go along with it. But we'll go ahead and run through this. I ended up getting over $100 worth of items for just 30 cents. So super happy with this haul, okay? Now, as you can see, a lot of this are tummy medicines, so y'all don't have to worry about me getting a tummy ache anytime soon. But we're going to go ahead and jump right in. I'm going to show y'all we have the Rexall Clear Soluble Fiber Powder for $7.20, but it is a penny today. There's the UPC for that. Found two of those. We have the IB Guard 12 count. These were $6. I found four of those, and there is the UPC for that one. It's not really one. There you go. All right. We also have the DG Health Acid Reducer Complete 25 count. These were $5.15. I found three of those. This one didn't have the red cap, but yours, you may find some with the red cap on there as well. All right, so there's the UPC for that one. Y'all can type in the UPC on your app and see if your store still has any in stock, but don't completely trust the app because the inventory is kind of hit or miss, okay? Sometimes it'll say out of stock, and you'll be standing there scanning the item. So next up, we have Alka-Seltzer Gum. We have Peppermint and Cool Mint. These are 16 count. So these were $2.40, but they are a penny today. And I found a total of 9 of these. There's the UPC for that one. We also have Tums. Now this is a 30 count. These were $1.80. Now this UPC is going to be a little bit harder to see. So it reads 30766074062. Okay, so I found 4 of those, and I also found the naproxen Sodium PM. This was $4.20. I only found one of these, and there's the UPC for that one. Not wanting to focus. There you go. All right. So also, when you're picking up medicines, you want to pay attention to the expiration dates as well. Sometimes you'll find penny medicine and it will be expired, but people have their different views on expiration dates. All right, so I found all of those items at one store at my little last chance basket. So here is my receipt for this one. As you can see, 1 penny, 1 penny, 1 penny, 1 penny, subtotal 23 cents for 23 items. So you cannot beat that. All right, so there's one little haul. Alright guys, sorry about that. I had to sit you down and kind of focus in on all of these awesome NCI finds. Now again, we have, I think it's over 200 penny items at our home stores right now, today, and a lot of the people who post the penny list did not have visuals for these items, so you just need to get out there and start scanning. I'm going to show you all the penny items that I found at my home store and give you all the UPCs. You can type that into your app, but do not fully trust the app. Dollar General's inventory in the app, it's kind of hit or miss. Sometimes it's correct, sometimes it's not. So don't completely trust the app, but I will give you all the UPCs anyways, okay? Now, some of the stuff that you see right here are penny items. Some are half off. And the reason why I went ahead and bought them at half off was because the girls at my home store were going through and scanning every single item, and they were putting all of the 50% off items in a section all by themselves and marking them at 50% off. So the few items that I did pick up, I really wanted to get them at 50% off. Well, I would have wanted to get them cheaper, but I'm happy with paying the price at 50% off because I'll use them, right? So let's go ahead and jump right in. We have the Beehive Spoon Rest, okay? This was originally $5, but it is a penny right now. If you see any of the penny items, any of the Beehive items, you want to make sure that you scan them because they were all on the NCI list, okay? NCI items that you want to be on the lookout for, that you want to make sure that you're scanning, are the candles, plates, cups, mugs, the little travel water bottles, and let's see, curtains and flower arrangements. Those are the main categories that you want to make sure that you are scanning, okay? I didn't see any blankets or pillows or bathroom items or anything like that. It was mostly candles, plates, cups, mugs, and flowers and curtains, okay? All right, next up, I found 4 of these little turquoise blue plates, all right? These were originally $2 each. These are 8-inch plates, and there is the UPC for that one. So, super happy with that. All penny items right there, 4 right there, 5. And my last 2 penny items that I found were these white balsam 14-ounce 3-wick candles, and y'all look at that sticker right there. It is a red Christmas sticker, and all the Christmas has pennied out. So let's see if y'all can see that UPC right there. There you go. So again, scan, 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 and check your regular candle section because that's where I found these 2 candles, okay? They look like anything else. They match, go along perfectly with all of their other little candles that they have sitting there. So it was very easy for the employees to overlook those. So found 2 of those. They smell great. I can't wait to see what they smell like when they're burning. Now, moving on to our 50% off stuff. These are items that you can either pick up at 50% off, or y'all can just keep an eye on them because they will go lower and then probably penny out, okay? So I found these fall plates, these little leaf plates. I found a total of 6 of them. These were originally $1, but they are 50% off right now for just 50 cents each. So I was super excited to find these and have a total of 6 of them. So 6 plates for $3. And then I also found the matching larger plates. So super excited about this as well. So these were originally $1. And let's see if that is going to focus for us here. There you go. There's the UPC for that one. And those were just 50 cents each as well. And not sure if I said it or not, but I found a total of 6 of those as well. All right. Candles. Now, I picked up these at 50% off. Again, she was going through and just scanning and moving everything, and she was going to mark it. So, usually when they mark things, those at 50% off, they go fast around here. So these candles were originally $3 each. They are $1.50 right now. There's the UPC for this one. It's an 8-ounce candle, sea glass scent. And then we also have, this one is Juicy Berry for $1.50. So I picked up 2 of those. And then last but not least, We have this big 4x6 rustic pillar candle for $7, but it is half off right now. It is a green clover as well. These two over here are also green clovers, so be on the lookout for green clovers to go even lower. All right, so this was $3.50. They also had other colors as well. And there is the UPC for this one. And if you notice, it is Spring 21 right there, S21. So y'all just get out there and scan, scan, scan. Alright guys, here's a quick picture of my entire haul for today, and I ended up picking up a total of $131.25 worth of products for just $12.80. I picked up a total of 45 items, making each one just 28 cents each, and I am super happy with this haul. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I wish each and every one of y'all good luck today penny shopping. If you go out, please come back and let me know how it goes in the comment section down below. And before y'all go, if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because we would love to have you as a part of our crazy couponing family here. Also, please give the video a big thumbs up. It is a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have an amazing day, and I will see you on the next one.